Hello, my dears, and welcome to a next series of yoga in your daily life. Today, it's all about your working space. Are you sitting a lot on your chair? Even it might be a comfy one where you can just lie back. Always keep a long and beautiful spine. And just start to lengthen your spine right now. Put your hands in the air and feel free to open your chest to the front. Exhale back. Invite your breath. Invite the movement. Inhale open. Exhale close. Your head is loose and is just following your movement. And breathe deeply. Allow freedom even in front of the computer. And we continue with the spine twist to the side. Left arm on the right knee, and the right arm can be just on the back. Inhale, turn to the other side. And the back arm can just be on the chair, wherever it's possible, or all around your spine on the other leg. Whatever feels good for you. And feel your inner organs, move your body, invite the freedom. And if there will be like a small dance happening, allow it to happen. Your body always knows what is the best for you right now. And if your legs are also from the long sitting holding, bring them up into the sky. And grab your right foot with the left hand and twist yourself. Look back, you can even hold on the chair. And then come back. You can always stay longer. I just give you some inspirations. And allow the other side the same. Left foot into the sky. Hold it with the right hand. Twist to the left. Stay longer or come out and come in again. Your spine is long and elongated. Your inner organs are activated. Beautiful. Whenever you feel stuck again, just start freely to move from within. Close your eyes. Open your heart. Feel. What can you do to invite more nature, more movement, more bliss into your lifestyle, into the work on your computer? So happy you joined today. Let me know if it was helpful for you in the comments. Thank you for your time. Namaste.